Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to edit quick responses on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the phone app and then select the three-dotted icon on the top right and then select the settings button. Underneath General, you want to select where it says Quick Responses. And then you can go ahead and adjust the quick response orientation in here just by selecting any of the quick responses, and you can change them and exactly what they're going to say. You can move them around by just copying and pasting them into the different fields, so you can change which ones come up first in your list. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.